Good morning, it's 8 a.m.-ish in Hamburg today and it's raining as it always is. The weather forecast said it's gonna be next 7-8 days it's gonna be raining straight through, so could do some sunlight, but on the other hand the streets look so nice when it's raining, so let's head out and go do some street photography in the rain. As always, I just missed the bus right there. And I don't run for buses. So finally I'm out of the train. You have to wear the FFP2 mask. I don't like that much. It's quite hard to breathe. And I came to Neue Wall to do some photos. I like this street because I really have the feeling I don't belong here. This is like the most expensive shopping street in Hamburg. And I really, for some reason, I cannot explain, I like to come here and just, you know, watch out for the people and the expensive brand shops and cars and whatever you have here. It's kind of weird feeling. I have the 17-40 attached to my camera and it's my least favorite lens. I really don't understand the wide angle, but I wanted to try it. Let's see what I can do with that. If I were to buy a car right now, it would be either that one or that one. I just love those little Fiats. They are so cute. But I'm gonna take a haircut right now. I forgot to do that last week, so time to get the head shaved. How do you actually do this vlogging when you are shooting out? If there's someone with more experience watching this, I really would like to use a mentor for doing, I would like to go, if you are in Hamburg, I would like to go out and shoot with you. Just to see how these vlogs are done, because this feels so awkward, this feels so weird and hard to do shooting and this vlogging, B-roll, everything. How do you manage to put it all together? Give me your best tips on the comments below. Thank you, I would really appreciate that.